Hi, my name is Steph, and today we're going to look at what I bought on Amazon.ca, those LED stripe for less than 25 bucks. The link down there. Wow, it's smaller than what I was thinking. Okay, so that's not really big. The size of the box is roughly 4 by 3 by 4, roughly. So let's look inside. The LED, remote control, the power, on and off switch, and some sticky. The brand name of this bad boy is LEPRO. This is a light stripe. The length of this bad boy is going to be 16.4 foot, and you can synchronize music and you can install it anywhere you want. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move this like this, take it out this, and unroll it. Okay, so the way I'm going to install it, I'm going to just cut a small piece each foot and install it on my wall. This is white, the W white, the red, the green, the blue, orange. This is all the color. You have more color, but just go by your choice. For follow the music, 1 2 1 2, press white, and you still have more. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, they give 2 batteries, one inside the bag and one already inside the remote control. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to thumbs up. See you in the next one. Ciao.